Hey team, welcome to 2022. So, insurance wise, hey, I got some tips for you so that you can start saving some money because I'm all about saving money at the moment, especially after Christmas and into the new year, and who knows what's happening at the moment with COVID and everything related. So, what we can do, there's a couple of things. If you've got life cover here and you've got trauma cover here, to save some money, what you can do is you can actually link them together. Which is pretty awesome. And by linking them, it's called accelerated cover, and it makes the premiums cheaper. The reason why it's accelerated is this. What happens is you've got your life cover, your trauma cover. If you use the trauma cover of say 100 grand, then 100 grand comes off the life cover. But if you've got an advisor and he's a good one, or she's a good one, of course, then after 1 year, there's a little button that they've already pressed beforehand, and they both get put back to the same amount as they were beforehand. It's a good way to start decreasing the premiums on that one. So that's called accelerated cover. So linking them together, really cool. Next thing is, if you've got health cover, increase the excess. So you can increase the excess, and each time it's saving you anywhere from 10% to about 60%, depending on how high the excess is. Now, that's really handy. The older you get, hopefully you've got some money in the bank and you can use then and have a $10,000 excess on your health cover. And if you need to use it, then you pay the first 10 grand and insurance pays the rest. Later on in life, generally you're not so worried about having to get your tonsils out or, other issues. You're more worried about stroke, heart attack, cancer, and those things cost a little bit more if you want to go privately than 10 grand. So that's another good way to start decreasing in premiums. Get a review. Just by doing a review with a financial advisor, you can save money. I was working with a client recently, and just by combining their insurances all into one company and then doing a program called Vitality with AIA, we saved them 30%. And that is crazy. 30% when you're in your 50s is a lot of money. Now, one is called leveling cover. This is brilliant. Now, essentially, it's like the Fountain of Youth, because what happens is this. It treats you as about 7 to 10 years older than you are now. So that would make me 51 to 54. But what it does is it treats you at that age for as long as you like. You can level out premiums, and so I pay that same price all the way through to the end, either 65 or 80 or 90 or 100. One client's looking at the moment on leveling his out to 100, because once he hits 100, then they will give him his insurance. As in, they won't give it to him. They will not charge him any more premiums, and he can keep having it even until he gets to 110, won't be paying any more premiums, and they'll do a full payout at the end, which is pretty cool if you want to hedge your bets and live to 100. So those are just some little tips and tricks to start trying to save some money. Some of them it's saving money instantly. Other ones, like leveling cover, it's saving you money at the other end. You can save tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars if you started early enough by leveling out your insurance. Any questions? Just flick me a text message, an email, send a tweet, a pigeon, a courier pigeon. That's like a tweet, I guess. Dad joke. Right, happy new 2022. I will be doing out more videos in the future just with ideas to help with insurance and make sure that you've got good cover. The covers that I implement are all with the top 5 or 6 insurers in New Zealand who are great at claims. They are fantastic at being able to go through the process and make life as easy as possible. And they're there for you these days, which is great. The companies I use, as I said, with claims, it's been great to work with them. So call me. Tell your friends. They can call me too.